United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 208. Pollution from seabed activities subject to national jurisdiction. 1. Coastal states shall adopt laws and regulations to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment arising from or in connection with seabed activities subject to their jurisdiction, and from artificial islands, installations and structures under their jurisdiction, pursuant to Articles 60 and 80. 2. States shall take other measures as may be necessary to prevent, reduce and control such pollution. 3. Such laws, regulations and measures shall be no less effective than international rules, standards and recommended practices and procedures. 4. States shall endeavour to harmonize their policies in this connection at the appropriate regional level. 5. States, acting especially through competent international organizations or diplomatic conference, shall establish global and regional rules, standards and recommended practices and procedures to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment referred to in paragraph L. Such rules, standards and recommended practices and procedures shall be re-examined from time to time as necessary.